A woman's incredible transformation of her council house has left people in awe, with some even comparing it to a palace. Meg, the creative mind behind this makeover, shared her journey on TikTok, showcasing the stunning before and after photos. But how did she achieve this on a budget? The power of a makeover. Meg's council house initially looked run down, crying out for some love and attention. But with her savvy DIY skills and an eye for design, she turned it into a trendy and stylish home. The living room, once stripped to its bare bones, now boasts neutral tones and various textures, giving it a modern and fresh ambience. And the bathroom? It's unrecognizable, thanks to the coordinating grey and white panels and the addition of a wooden ladder and rattan-style mirror, creating a chic focal point. A kitchen fit for royalty. But the real showstopper is the kitchen. Meg's favorite transformation, it went from bland to grand. She bid farewell to plain white tiles, silver handles, and dull wooden doors, replacing them with a sophisticated grey shade and a touch of elegance. The secret to this transformation? A mix of a funky Dora and a cool beans paint by Frenchic, and super affordable gold T-bar handles from Amazon. Meg's attention to detail and willingness to get her hands dirty paid off, and the results are stunning. Budget-friendly tips for a luxe look. Meg's story is an inspiration for anyone looking to revamp their home without breaking the bank. Here are some of her tips. Find inspiration in high-end stores, then source similar items at budget-friendly places like B&M and Home Bargains. YouTube is your friend. Learn DIY techniques from tutorials instead of hiring professionals. Stick-on vinyl is a quick and cost-effective way to refresh floors and tiles. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders, making any room feel brand new. Update kitchen cupboard knobs for an instant modern twist without replacing the entire cupboard. The impact of a home makeover. Meg's transformation has not only impressed the online community but also sparked a conversation about affordable home makeovers. It goes to show that with a bit of creativity, determination, and some clever shopping, anyone can turn their house into a home they love. And who knows, maybe your home could be the next palace on a budget. What do you think of Meg's council house transformation? Do you have any budget-friendly makeover tips to share? Let's discuss in the comments.